Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unhide columns in Google Sheets step by step. This is useful if you previously hid columns and now want to make them visible again, so let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet you want to edit. Next, look at the top of your spreadsheet where the column letters are displayed. If columns are hidden, you'll notice small arrows between the visible column letters. These arrows indicate hidden columns. To unhide the columns, simply click on the small arrows. As soon as you click them, the hidden columns will reappear in your spreadsheet. You can also unhide columns by selecting the columns on both sides of the hidden section. For example, if column B is hidden, select columns A and C together. Then, right-click the selected area and choose Unhide Columns from the menu. The hidden columns will immediately become visible again. And that's it. You've successfully unhidden columns in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.